Okay, here's our threshold, here's our ramp. I'm going to set the height for the height of the ramp. Looks like we're about 4 inches maybe. Take off these extra pieces you don't need. Okay, a little gap filler piece here. There you go. So we were a little high or a little low. I'm thinking a little high might be better, but maybe a little low might be better. I don't know. You can see how you get a little bit of height change right here. So we're about a 1/2 inch, 3/8 inches too high. This one here would be too low, so gotta put this lip up in here like that. And it might not have enough room to flex that high. So we can go with that. So there you go. Gets over our curb. No problem. Pull that back a little bit. Nice and stable. Alright, we're going to get ourselves a little bike to put in here. And we will be back when we get a bike. Alright, there you go.
What do we got here?
That is a Harley Davidson.
All original.
Bone stock.
Pristine.
Bone stock.
Mint.
Mint.
1996. Softail.
96.
This is an Evo.
Softail custom.
I mean, this thing. Look at that.
Can't get better.
It's on there tight. Belly wires on.
Perfect.
Anyhow, what do we got going on? What's this thing?
We got a ramp.
It's nice.
We got 4 pieces because you're only 4 inches tall.
Is it rated for 400 pounds? Or
It is rated for whatever goes up and down it. It's wide enough for you to walk on one side so you don't have to trip.
Oh, that's nice.
So,
Alright, let's give it a try, shall we?
does the brake work on the front?
No, nothing works.
So you can't.
I lied. It works well.
Okay, we'll stop the brake about, once you go about 8 inches on, you hit the brake.
Alright. I'm not worried about that.
No, keep going. Tire sliding. Ramp did not slide, so the ramp stays put. That's good. I was worried if it slide or not. It does not slide.
Here with the back end.
It doesn't even care about it.
Doesn't.
No flexing that I can see.
No problem.
It's good design.
Yeah.
Quick and simple. Works good. We like. Yeah, it works good. It's well supported. So every 6 inches, you got a full support under here, see? So it's only 6 inches of unsupported material. So it works really, really well. All right, we'll be back.